Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. NEAR is a clever contract stage, or Layer 1, that programmers may utilize to create decentralized apps, similar to Ethereum dApps. However, a sizable number of exams terminate there. Compared to Ethereum, NEAR to Convention is more user-friendly, employs proof-of-stake (POS) to establish the organization, and implements sharding to speed up and reduce the cost of transactions. Additionally, NEAR is a blockchain that is environment neutral. More information on each of these highlights will be provided in the sections below. Ilya Polosykhin, a former Google developer, and Alexander Skidinov, a former MemSCL, now SingleStore, engineer, founded the NEAR2 project in 2018. Since then, San Francisco-based NEAR2 Incorporated has grown to include 50-plus employees thanks to $183.7 million in funding from illustrious investors, including Leap Capital, Alameda Exploration, and Dragonfly Capital Partners. Is the NEAR promotion legitimate? As you can see from the patterns of searches below, interest in NEAR peaked back in January, and it's simple to understand why. Numerous networks with a shared sense of direction in industries ranging from advertising, craftsmanship, and music to education, protection, and trading can be found in the vicinity of the convention. These networks are grouped as organizations and are known as organizations. In terms of reception metrics like total value locked, convention revenue, all-out accounts, projects increasing on NEAR, and both online traffic and Twitter supporters, the NEAR2 biological system is also developing into a truly fantastic powerhouse. Investigation of coin cost approaching. Will it reach new heights? The NEAR coin was released on October 14, 2020 for $1.69, and since then, there has been usually steady price movement. The currency has been attempting new highs since July 2021, according to its pricing diagram. In August 2021, the price of Bitcoin jumped through the $5 threshold, and the following month reached a crucial $10 psychological barrier. Beginning in the year 2022, NEAR was thriving. On January 16, the cryptocurrency rocketed to an unmatched high of $20.42. After correcting below the $10 mark in February, it started flooding once more in April. On 8 April, it reached a high of $19.64. In any event, after the Bitcoin collapses this year, NEAR took a hit in addition to the wider market. Its value dropped below $5 and as low as $2.90 on June 18. Throughout the end of October and the beginning of November, it fell much more. NEAR2 eventually fell short of its final value, hitting a 52-week low of $1.44 on November 21. On November 22, at the time of writing, NEAR had somewhat recovered and was trading at $1.51. However, the value of the digital currency fell by 24% over the last week and by 47% over the previous month. With a market valuation of $1.25 billion, it currently ranks 33rd among all cryptographic forms of money. Is it wise to do an investment? The organization's plans and coordinated efforts, item shipments, and other factors will determine whether NEAR to Convention is a good bet. NEAR Convention estimates from a few calculation-based platforms, such digital coin price, were positive at the time of writing, November 22, 2018. However, Wallet Financial's backers anticipated a drop to $0.10. It's crucial to conduct your research on a coin or token to determine whether it's the best choice for your venture portfolio in unreliable digital currency marketplaces. Your tolerance for risk and the amount you want to donate, among other factors, will determine if the NEAR coin is a sensible investment for you. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future success. Additionally, never save money that you can't stand to lose. In line with conventional cost expectations, both short and long-term. Beginning about November 22, calculation-based cost-determining administration wallet financial backer advised that the token was a poor endeavor in its near-token cost anticipation. According to near-to-conventional cost estimates, it would have decreased to $0.10 in a year by 2023. Digital coin price had a more optimistic prognosis for the coin's closing. The coin's price may have increased to $3.84 in 2023 and $5.13 in 2024, according to the forecaster. It's near to the consensus cost prediction for 2025 said that it may increase to $6.60 and keep going to achieve $21.62 in 2030. Value expectation made a similar supposition. According to near estimates for 2022, the middle value of out would have been $1.84 this year and $5.55 in 2025. With a precise estimate of convention cost for 2030, it is worth $33.55. It's important to keep in mind that digital currency markets continue to be extremely unpredictable, making it difficult to predict with precision what a coin or token will cost in a few hours, and shockingly, even harder to provide long-term estimates. In such a position, specialists and analysts who use calculations frequently misinterpret their predictions. We'd advise you to typically conduct your research if you are considering investing in digital currency tokens. Before making any speculating decisions, consider the most recent market trends, news, specialized and primary study, and competent assessment. Keep in mind that past performance does not guarantee future results. Never swap money that you can't stand to lose, either. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.